Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel whose name is The Changing Life. Myself Harshit Srivastav, and as usual I am with my friend whose name is Anmol Srivastav. So today we are going to discuss about the topic that importance of the media, social media, mass communication and especially the press media. So mass media is an, you can say press media, you can say the fourth pillar of our democracy, because it is very important point. Without the mass media we cannot be able to express our thoughts freely, we cannot be able to communicate our thoughts to a mass of the people. For that we are required to have a mass media. Mass communication generally involves your thoughts, your ideas, that you can communicate from one people to a group of the peoples, to the mass of the people. Suppose I'm here, I'm giving some sort of discussions, I'm giving some sort of lecture, and you all are listening to us. So that is a mass media, mass communication. So that occurs when you have a strong willpower to express your thoughts, to express your ideas towards other, and that expression of the ideas is very fruitful for the circumstances and very fruitful for the individual as well.
Sure, as my friend Harshit told about the importance of mass media, I have also speak the same, that mass media plays a very powerful and important role in our society, in our individual life, in our thinking, in our perception, in our liking, disliking. Everything involves around the mass media and journalism and all these things. India is not ranked good in terms of mass media, that I want to say. India ranks 142 in all over the world in terms of mass media, because it also involves various hindrances, various problems that involves in a mass media. That's why India is not so much ranked good in a mass media. But I still say that media plays a very important role in our economy and in our human perceptions also. Because whatever we are getting information from our surrounding, it is through media, through the news which we read, through the articles which we study, through the perceptions which we made about any person, through information which we gather, which we get from any ministers, from any important portfolios, from any important eminent personalities. It is because of mass media. So it has very important roles in our personal life also, that do come across everything. In mass media, it generally it requires a good requires a good manner of speaking, good public speaking, and manner of speaking, and that impress the public. How you speak, that matters in a mass media.
Yes.
And those who make their career, they know how to impress others, how to attract others, and how to persuade others to, so that they will like what you want to make them like. Means they only like that thing which you want to sell. So it is a power of mass media. Mass media have no limitations. Media have is very free in our country. Media can inquire any person, can inquire anything. It can go anywhere, any place in our country, any location
Yes.
in any place in our country, and it can provide so much accurate information within a limited period of time.
Yes.
And that is very beneficial and boon in today's era. Because what happened that previously, what happened that media is only limited to like printing press, offline manner, through a printing in newspaper, radio, or you can say that messages, text messages, journalism. But now the things has been changed through when internet came. When
Yes.
internet came from 2007, media is totally converted in an electronic form. What we notification that we receive from mobile, what we receive the live telecast from a Lok Sabha Bhavan and other broadband connections.
Yes.
So that is the electronic form of social media, and which we are so much used to involve in this type of media. And whatever the you know that any incident that happens across the country can easily get transferred, and it can easily get reached on our television. It is because of social media. How they have such a strong coverage, they have such a strong tools and machines that they can shoot any location, they can have a very high HD cameras and all these things. So that's the
Yes.
importance and relation of social media.
Yes, so yes, I was discussing we were discussing about the importance of the media. Yes, surely the media has a lot of importance, because if you are unable to provide the correct information within the time, you cannot be able to survive within the media, within the mass communication. So it is very important part of our mass communication to provide the correct information in the right point of a time, because accuracy and your speed also matters. Because we are very familiar to now the various news channels, they are showing the news. Some of them are showing the irrelevant news that do not require such type of facts and figures, but that only contain the irrelevant material. That is only for increasing the TRP, and you can say that it is only for increasing the popularity among the viewers.
And that is the limitations of a mass media.
Yes, that is a disadvantage, because that do not makes any sense to you, because the listeners, the viewers who were viewing to you, they were paying their time to see you, but still what you are showing some sort of irrelevant information, and that information is sometimes never needed, but it is showing. On the other hand, if we talk about some sort of responsible mass media, some sort of responsible editors, like I am very much impressed with the I would like to take a name of the Mr. Rajesh Sharma, who is the chief editor of the India TV. So he is doing quite well job, because he always used to discuss on the matters that is social, that are political, that are need of an hour, that I want to say. Because that matter needs to discuss on that point of time. He always comes with a new information, with a good ideas to express over things. Moreover, he is a I would say successful media person. Apart from there are a lot of people that you can know. Example, Sudhir Chaudhary ji, he is also doing a great job. And lot of people, I do not know even the name of them, but they are doing the good job. But I mean to say that people should learn from that type of anchors, that type of editors, how they can be able to express the information. Your information expression and your content both matters. If you are good in expressing your ideas, and your ideas are you are having occupied with irrelevant material, then also you cannot be able to be productive for the society.
No, yeah, you are right. Actually, it is a responsibility of every social media in each and every country to provide a quality and accurate information to the public. Don't provide a fake information. But actually, it is a limitation for our mass media in our country, that there are some irrelevant information which is also provided by the media, or you can say in Hindi, you can say that like Mirchi Masala news, na?
Yes.
In which show in some irrelevant and exaggerating news which used to show to the public just to increase
Yes.
the TRP. So that's why it is one of the limitations on the media. Actually, it has a very powerful. It affects the perception of every human mind, especially the youngsters also.
Yes.
Actually, I think the main important thing, the main advantage of mass media is that it provides employment to millions of the youth.
Yes.
And
right.
it is a bright career for every youth in our country.
And a huge scope.
Because actually in mass media, some are involved in content writing, some are involved in designing the videos, some are involved in shooting the videos, some are involved in the anchoring, some are involved in writing the news. So there is a lot of job opportunities and scope of job in mass media in our country also.
Yes.
So that is the main benefit. Another benefit of the social media, that we can able to understand the cultures and relations of our country and other countries also. We can able to get the information and news about
International
the
news.
other countries also, that what is happening around the world, what is happening around the in other countries also, like USA, and we can able to increase our general awareness because of that.
Yes.
And it also helps to get the information regarding the what are the cultures of our country. For example, you cannot go to a Kanyakumari, you cannot go to a Ladakh, you cannot go to a Himachal. There are different customs and traditions, but with the help of social media, you can able to know what are
Their cultures,
their cultures, what are their traditions, what they're thinking, what are their clothes and eating habits. It is why it is because of social media.
Yes.
So all things revolves around this world is because of social media. We are just like a dumb person if there is no social media in our country.
Yeah, social media is a vital part of our life. Without which we cannot be able to explore the world. Because within a single go, we cannot be able to explore the world by our eyes. We need some sort of machinery, some sort of procedures to go with to explore this huge world. So it is one of the biggest thing that it is being happening such a in an efficient way that we cannot be able to know the what is the back end of that. But beside this, there is a lot of struggle in the social media too. They are doing for the sake of right information. They are doing for the sake of the responsibility of the citizens. So on the other hand, we need to understand that what are our responsibility as a citizens. That's a very important fact. We need to understand that in the today's era we are very familiar to the WhatsApp messages and the Facebook messages and lot of social media sites. We are very familiar to use that, and what we are doing, some of us are doing sharing the fake news among the people. Suppose a very practical example I want to take, that it is a coronavirus pandemic time. So on that time some people are sending some fake information that coronavirus can be cured by this sort of this sort of medicine. Instead, that medicine has not been found yet, but they are sharing such type of news. Sharing such type of news to pray to the corona goddess, and lot of news, the fake news are coming. So that is the problem. What public is doing, what public is suitable to, what public is doing, and that problem creates a major major role in the decrement in the system, in the ruinedness of the system. And social media is always supporting the news. Either it is a fake one, either it is a true one. If you post on the Facebook, it is necessary that it is obvious that people will see that news and they do react on that also. So as a responsible citizen, you need to understand that always share the correct information that is verified by a verified source, that certified source, that you can able to share, and only share that news what is fruitful to the society, what is fruitful to the nation, what is required for the time, what is the need of an hour.
And I would like to thank to all the persons who are involved in the media sector, media industry.
Yes.
Whatever their job, whatever the job they are doing, is really a wonderful job that they are doing. It has a bright career in the future opportunities, future students also. And for you can see that during the current epidemic of coronavirus, all the information regarding the number of deaths and all the information regarding the number of total cases and people died in every country, and what are the techniques they are adopting to solve the problems of a coronavirus disease, and whatever they are doing, we are getting all these things because of because of a media industry.
Yes.
Because media industry go to each and every place, they try to find out who are the real heroes.
Yes.
Of this epidemic disease, like
Yes.
doctors and nurses, police officers and policemen, and all the persons who are involved in curing this disease.
They are also trying to blow the light on that people which are unable to get the food, which are which are deprived from the arrangements that has been made from the government, and when that information is comes towards the administrative powers and the government, then the government is immediately able to send them with a good sort of arrangement, like the arrangement of the ration, arrangement of the essential commodity, materials. So that is a very nice thing that the social media is doing.
Even you are right that there are many villages in our country who are totally deprived for basic amenities like food, water,
Yes.
jobs, or you can say that other basic amenities. And but because of a media industry, media person go to these villages and ask their
Yes.
problem, and they highlight their problem to a big channel. They make their own separate channel and to solve out these problems. And now these villages are somewhat growing. Their economy also develops.
Yes.
So it is the power of the social media. It is the power of a media industry. that I want to share.
Yes, because media is doing a lot of great efforts, but I again say that what you need to understand, first of all, is that don't share the fake information on the news, and
Yeah.
always be courteous towards the news reporters. There was a report I was reading at the newspaper. There was a minister who was corrupt, and when the media went to his house to, made him exposure of its corrupt
Yeah.
deeds. What the minister did? The minister started slapping to the media person. The minister started rebuking to them. So that is what? That is the lack of the system. That is the lack of the knowledge. That is the lack of education. So people need to understand that what media is doing is such a great job.
Yeah, actually, media exposes a person who are involved in a corruption and who are involved in a illegal activities. Like there are many Babas like Ram Rahim, Asha Ram, and all these other Babas are important
Yes.
criminals. Why they are so exposed, like Nirav Modi,
Yes.
why they are so exposed? It is because of a power of a media industry.
Yes, and their corrupt deeds too.
And today they are now in a jail or in some police custody also.
Yes, because of media, they had been able to found that, and even we are very delighted and we are very thankful to the media and this social media YouTube platform that we are able to express our thoughts freely in that social media, and we are able to provide our knowledge before you all. So thank you to all my listeners, and I again say that be responsible citizen as a person that always follow the guidelines given by the government. Stay safe at your home. So thanks to all my listeners. Goodbye.